This is Reychele and I'm going to discuss you about the brief history of Cisco. In 1980s, there was a married couple namely Len and Sandy Bosak who used to work into different departments of computer located in Stanford University. This couple was facing problem in making their computers communicate with each other. So in order to overcome this problem, they made a gateway server in their living room, which led to a simpler way of making two departments communicate each other by the help of IP protocol. So they founded Cisco System with small c in 1984, having a small commercial gateway server which brought a revolution in networking. So the name of the company was changed to Cisco Systems, incorporated in 1992. Advanced Gateway Server, or AGS, was the first marketed product of the company. After this came the Mid-Range Gateway Server, MGS, the Compact Gateway Server, CGS, the Integrated Gateway Server, IGS, and AGS+. Cisco eventually created routers of 4,000, 7,000, 2,000, and 3,000 series. These routers still exist, are exchanging daily. Cisco is the mighty leader of the world when it comes to networking for the internet. The products of this company leads to simplicity in accessing the transferring information regardless of the differences in time, place, or platform. Cisco also supplies a huge range of hardware products which create information networks by the help of Cisco Inter-Network Operating System, or iOS software. Cisco iOS gives network services and make the root of networking technical support and services. Excuse me. Another program made by Cisco to assist the big amount of hardware is the Cisco Certified Interwork Expert, or SSIE program. SSIE helps in managing the large number of installed Cisco networks. This SEI program helps in making program take care of complicated networks. Cisco is still monitoring this program constantly in order to do a possible transition needed to meet the everyday requirements of inter-network business places. Due to the very successful SSIE program, you can be certified in network designing and support with the help of Cisco Career Certification. So there are how many? I'm going to also give you those certificates of Cisco. So there are CCNA, CCDA, CCNA Data Center, CCNA Security, CCNA Service Provider, CCNA Service Provider Operations, CCNA Video, CCNA Voice, CCNA Wireless, and CCDP, CCNP, CCNP Data Center, CCNP Security, CCNP Service Provider, CCNP Service Provider Operations, CCNP Voice, CCNP Wireless. And there are CCDE, CCIE Data Center, CCIE Routing and Switching, CCIE Security, CCIE Service Provider, CCIE Service Provider Operations, CCIE Storage Networking, CCIE Voice, and CCIE Wireless. So, the next is the history of router. A router is a computer networking device that forwards data packets toward their destinations through a process known as routing. Routing occurs at layer 3 of the OSI 7-layer model. Routing is most commonly associated with the Internet Protocol, although other less popular routed protocols remain in use. In the original 1960s era of routing, general-purpose computers served as routers, although general-purpose computers can be perform routing. Modern high-speed routers are highly specialized. Computers, generally with the extra hardware added to accelerate both common routing functions such as packet forwarding and specialized functions such as IPsec encryption. Other changes also improve reliability such as using battery rather than mains power and using solid state rather than magnetic storage. So, modern routers have thus come to resemble telephone switches whose technology there are currently converging with many eventually replaced. The first modern dedicated style standalone routers were the fuzzball routers. And parts of routers, features, circuit boards, CPU, main memory, router operations. That's all.